Now let's read Mighty Truck on the Farm. One day, Mighty Truck got a call. "Hello," he said in a mighty voice. "Is that you, son?" He switched to his Clarence voice. "Mom? Dad?" His mom spoke first. "We have not seen you in so long. Please come visit," added his dad. "Sure thing," Clarence said. "I will see you soon." A trip home to Mom's and Dad's farm. It was just the break he needed. He really missed the place. Clarence could go fishing, he could roam with the sheep, he could play with the pigs, he could rest and relax. But Mom and Dad had other plans. They needed help with the farm, so much for romping and playing, so much for resting and relaxing, and fishing, forget it. First, Clarence mended the fence. After that, he hauled a load of beets. Next, he planted a row of corn until dark, but Clarence still had lots to do. He needed some help himself, and he knew just how to get it. Clarence got up before the sun rose. He rolled over to the well. This should do the trick. He gave the handle a bump. Water began to pump. Clarence splashed in it. And Clarence became Mighty Truck. "Who?" said the barn owl. "Shh, shush, Mighty Truck." What chore would he do first? Mighty Truck saw the field. "All right, let's go," he said. "Have a lot of hay to mow." Zoom! He cut the hay mighty fast. His heater got it mighty dry. He pushed it into a mighty stack. It was time to milk the cow, but they were far from the barn. The cow did not want to walk. "No problem," said Mighty Truck. "I will bring the barn to you." It was time to get the chicken egg. Mighty Truck rumbled along. The egg rolled around. One egg hatched. "Peep," the little chick said. Mighty Truck was mighty careful. "Back to the nest you go," he said. The sun was starting to rise. Mom and Dad would be up soon. Mighty Truck rushed to do more work. He fed moles and scattered seed. "I had to hurry. Time to turn back into Clarence." Mighty Truck raced to the haystack. He drove right into it. He came out covered in dirt and straw. He was Clarence again, and he headed back to bed. But not for long. Mom came into his room to wake him. "Clarence, it is time to get up." "That's right," Dad said. "There is a lot of work to do." "Are you sure?" Clarence asked. They looked out the window. His dad was surprised. "How did all that get done?" His mom amazed. "And it's all been done mighty well. There's nothing left to do," Dad said. "Oh yes, there is," says Clarence. There was romping and playing, there was resting and relaxing, and when Mom and Dad were not near, there was some mighty good fishing. That is the end.